Hi, my name's Tyler, and in this video series, we're going to walk you through what Julius can do for product managers. We've spoken with a whole bunch of different PMs here at Julius, and we just know how important it is to understand what your users need, how they're engaging with your product, which features are working, and especially where they're dropping off. One thing isn't common, though, is that it's really difficult to analyze this data. Product managers everywhere are using a lot of different tools, from analytics platforms to docs and spreadsheets, to maintain all of this stuff. The cool thing is, Julius can help you analyze all of this, and you don't really need to know how to read or write code to get started. In the next 3 videos, we're going to walk you through 3 different types of analysis that Julius can do for product managers. All you have to do is grab some data. And don't worry if you don't have any data available. We have 3 sample files that go perfectly with these notebooks just to show you what Julius can do. Hopefully, by the end of the series, you'll feel confident running your own analysis, identifying what's actually driving retention, for example, and using Julius to help guide some of your product decisions. And many of the PMs that we've spoken to just really don't know what to ask Julius. The best part, Julius has read every single, not only data analysis textbook that's out there, but every product management textbook out there too. So it doesn't just have to be data analysis. Julius can actually help you identify pain points, prioritize features, understand why users churn, and even help you write better product requirement docs, all based off of real user data. Hopefully that makes sense. Let's get started, and we'll see you in the next video.